Hey, welcome back. Today, I'll show you 20 killer accessories to turn any bike into a monster. No engine mods, just add-ons that upgrade your ride big time. Let's dive in. Number 20. Second display with camera. Add a second display with a rear or side camera for better visibility and safer lane changes. It's like having eyes everywhere on your bike, making every ride more confident. Number 19. Tank bag. Keep your essentials close with a waterproof tank bag. Perfect for quick access to your phone, wallet, or tools while keeping everything secure and dry. Number 18. Tail bag/rear bag. Need extra storage? Tail or rear bags give you space for longer trips without hurting your bike's sleek look. Easy to attach and remove whenever you want. Number 17. Backpack-style motorcycle bags. These specialized backpacks keep your gear balanced and comfortable. Ideal for riders who carry more stuff but want freedom of movement. Number 16. Phone mount with USB charger. Never worry about losing GPS or phone battery. A durable mount combined with a USB charger keeps your device safe and powered all ride long. Number 15. Heated grips. Don't let cold weather stop you. Heated grips are easy to install and keep your hands warm and comfortable, so you ride longer and safer. Number 14. Upgraded mirrors. Swap your stock mirrors for wider, aerodynamic versions. They improve your blind spots and give your bike a fresh, aggressive look. Number 13. Brake pads upgrade. Better brake pads mean better control and stopping power. It's a simple upgrade that can make a huge difference in your ride safety. Number 12. LED auxiliary lights. Add extra brightness for night rides or poor weather. These LEDs are stylish, easy to install, and improve your visibility drastically. Number 11. Bluetooth helmet speaker. Listen to music, take calls, or hear GPS directions without distraction. Bluetooth helmet speakers keep you connected while keeping your focus on the road. Number 10. Crash protectors/frame sliders. Protect your bike's paint and body during falls with frame sliders. They're a smart investment that can save expensive repairs. Number 9. Adjustable windshield. Customize your wind protection for more comfort on highway or city rides. Adjustable windshields cut fatigue and make every ride smoother. Number 8. Grip pads for tank. Non-slip grip pads let you hold tight during sharp corners and hard braking. They're simple but make a big difference in control. Number 7. GPS tracker. Keep your bike safe with hidden GPS trackers. Get instant alerts if it moves unexpectedly and track it anytime on your phone. Number 6. Phone app connectivity modules. Connect your bike systems to your smartphone for real-time diagnostics, ride stats, and personalization. Tech upgrades for smart riders. Number 5. Customizable LED indicators. Make your turn signals brighter and flash in unique styles. They look great and improve your visibility to other drivers. Number 4. Comfort seat pads. Upgrade your seat with gel or foam pads to stay comfortable even after hours on the road. Your butt will thank you. Number 3. Portable tire inflator. A compact pump that fits in your bag and keeps you ready for quick tire fixes on the road. A lifesaver for long trips. Number 2. Waterproof motorcycle cover. Protect your bike from rain, dust, and sun damage with a heavy-duty cover. Essential for bike owners who park outside often. Number 1. Motorcycle alarm system. Top off your security with a sensitive alarm system that alerts you immediately if someone tampers with your bike. Peace of mind wherever you park. That's the top 20 accessories to turn your bike into a monster without touching the engine. Which one do you want first? Drop a comment. Smash thumbs up if you found this useful, and don't forget to subscribe for more bike tips. Ride safe.